Welcome back. Have you ever stared at the night sky and wondered about your place in the universe? Today, we're diving into the most astonishing facts about our planet and the cosmos. We'll journey from distant galaxies to the atoms in your body, revealing the deep connections that bind us to the stars. This isn't just trivia, it's a new way to see your place in the grand cosmic story. So get comfortable and let your imagination roam. Our spaceship of the imagination is ready to launch. Let's begin. Picture the universe compressed into a single point. Then, the Big Bang. For years we thought gravity would slow the universe's expansion, maybe even reverse it. But in the 1990s, astronomers discovered the expansion is actually speeding up. A mysterious force, dark energy, is pushing galaxies apart, making up nearly 70% of the universe. The matter we see is less than 5%. The rest, dark matter and dark energy, completely unknown. We're adrift in a cosmic ocean, with most of it still invisible to us. Look at your hand. Carbon, oxygen, iron. Where did these elements come from? Not Earth, but stars. The universe began with hydrogen and helium. Heavier elements were forged in stars' fiery cores. When massive stars die in supernovae, they scatter these elements across the galaxy. The calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, born in ancient stars. You are literally made of stardust. The heaviest elements, like gold, come from the most violent stellar explosions. The universe lives within you. Earth hurtles through space at 67,000 miles per hour, spinning on its axis. We live in the Goldilocks zone, just the right distance from the sun for liquid water. Too close and we'd boil, too far and we'd freeze. Our gravity holds the atmosphere, our tilted axis gives us seasons, and our magnetic field shields us from radiation. Countless factors had to align for life to exist here. We are the result of extraordinary cosmic precision. Take a breath. Air feels weightless, but the atmosphere above you weighs as much as a small car. At sea level, it presses on you with 14.7 pounds per square inch. We're adapted to this pressure. Our bodies push back in perfect balance. This invisible ocean of air gives us oxygen, protects us from radiation, and burns up meteors. It traps heat, making life possible. Every breeze is the movement of this vast protective blanket. Water covers 70% of Earth and makes up most of your body. Its solid form, ice, floats, insulating life below. If it sank, oceans would freeze solid. Water dissolves more substances than any other liquid, transporting nutrients and waste in your body. But where did it come from? Some water was released, from rocks, but much arrived on comets and asteroids. The water you drink may have traveled through space for eons. Water is the lifeblood of our planet and our biology. Its cosmic origins connect us to the stars. We think of time as constant, but Einstein showed it's flexible. Gravity and speed can stretch or squeeze time. Space and time are woven together as space-time. The closer you are to massive objects, the slower time passes. GPS satellites' clocks run faster than those on Earth, and must be adjusted. Near a black hole, time would slow dramatically for you. Time is not a rigid ruler, but a dynamic part of the universe. Our experience of time is shaped by the cosmos. The Milky Way has 100 billion stars. The observable universe, 2 trillion galaxies. For every grain of sand on Earth, there are more stars in the cosmos. Our sun is just one average star, and Earth is one of its many planets. The universe is bigger than we can imagine. With so many stars and planets, it seems inevitable that life exists elsewhere. The elements of life are abundant everywhere. We may not be alone in the grand cosmic arena. A day is 24 hours now, but it hasn't always been. When dinosaurs lived, days were 23 hours. At Earth's birth, just 6 hours. The moon's gravity creates tides, slowly slowing Earth's spin. Days lengthen by 1.8 milliseconds per century, and the moon drifts away. In the distant future, days will be even longer. Our planet's rhythm is always changing. The moon's gravity not only slows Earth's rotation, it creates tides. Twice daily, oceans rise and fall, a direct link to our celestial neighbor. Tides shaped the evolution of life, creating zones where creatures adapted to land. Even small forces over time have profound effects. The moon's pull moves trillions of tons of water, shaping coastlines and ecosystems. The universe's forces are deeply interconnected. Beneath our feet lies a core as hot as the sun's surface. This heat drives convection in the molten outer core, generating Earth's magnetic field. The magnetosphere shields us from solar wind and deadly radiation. The core's heat drives plate tectonics, creating mountains and volcanoes. Geological activity recycles our atmosphere and oceans. Earth's fiery heart is the source of its vitality. Life thrives in places we once thought impossible. Boiling vents, acidic springs, deep ice, and even space. Extremophiles show life is tenacious and adaptable. Tardigrades can survive radiation, vacuum, and extreme temperatures. These discoveries expand our idea of where life can exist. Life may not need a perfect world, just a foothold. Earth's resilience gives hope for life elsewhere. Our senses reveal only a sliver of reality, just visible light and a narrow range of sounds. We're blind to most of the electromagnetic spectrum and much of the world's information. Science extends our senses. Telescopes, microscopes, and particle accelerators reveal hidden wonders. We live in a mansion, but perceive only one room. Science lets us explore the rest. It's our tool for transcending perception's limits. The universe is richer than we can imagine. We've traveled from the edge of the universe to Earth's core, from stardust to the flow of time. The universe is a grand, unfolding story, and you are part of it. The atoms in your body, the rhythm of your day, all connect you to the cosmos. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never lose your sense of wonder. The journey doesn't end here. This is just the beginning. Thank you for joining me.